Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to switch up the color of a t-shirt in your Canva designs, you're in the right place. Maybe you're customizing a mock-up for your brand or just want your graphics to really pop on social media. Today, I'll show you a super simple trick to change t-shirt colors in Canva, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, go ahead and open up Canva. For this example, we're going to click on Instagram post. This is such a great size because it's a perfect square and works for a ton of different social platforms, not just Instagram. So select Instagram post, and once you're there, choose blank page. Starting with a completely blank canvas just gives us full control over our design and nothing gets in the way. It's always a good habit to start fresh, especially if you want your work to look polished and professional. Next, head over to the left side of your screen and find the Elements tab. This is where Canva stocks a huge collection of graphics, shapes, and illustrations. Think of it like your toolbox. You can find so many creative elements here that can really transform your work. In this case, we're going to keep it simple and type t-shirt into the search bar up top. Go ahead and hit enter. Don't rush this part. You'll see a bunch of t-shirt graphics pop up, and you can scroll to find one that fits your style. I'd suggest picking something straightforward and flat if your main goal is to swap colors easily. Once you found a t-shirt you like, click on it and it'll pop right into your blank canvas. Now a quick tip, you can drag the corners to resize the t-shirt if you want to make it bigger or smaller just so it fits your vision. You can even reposition it so it's exactly where you want, maybe centered, maybe a little lower if you're adding text above. It's totally up to you. Here comes the fun part. Let's change that t-shirt color. Click on the t-shirt graphic to select it. You'll see some edit options pop up, usually right above your canvas. Look for the edit image button and give that a click. Now this is where Canva gets really interesting. Scroll through the editing options and find something called duotone. If you've never used duotone before, think of it a bit like applying a filter. It gives you control over how the colors of an image blend and shift, super handy for customization. So select the duotone effect. You'll see several preset options right away, but the really cool part is you can click on any of those presets and then select Customize to adjust the colors yourself. Choose a highlight and a shadow color that works for you. For example, maybe you want a bright cherry red t-shirt or you want to match your brand's unique blue. Just pick the colors you love and watch as the t-shirt instantly transforms. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first. You can go back and tweak the colors as many times as you need. Play around with the options until you get exactly the look you want. And that's it. You've taken a basic t-shirt graphic and totally made it your own in Canva with just a few clicks. This little hack is awesome for quick mockups, social posts, or even online store previews where showcasing more than one color is key. If you found this Canva trick helpful, give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy design hacks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.